Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do subscribe the channel to see such a type of more typical numericals related to national income. Here we have to calculate net value added at market price, and we have to prove that net value added at factor cost is equal to the sum of factor income. So first of all, let us calculate gross value added at market price. We know that gross value added market price is equal to value of output minus value of intermediate consumption. Here value of output is equal to sales plus change in stock. So let us put the value. Instead of sales, domestic sale and exports are given. Item number 1 plus item number 2 plus change in stock means increase in stock. Item number 5th. So by putting the value 1080 plus 120 plus 120, these all are the values of output, minus value of intermediate consumption. Number 1, intermediate consumption is not given, and components are item number 4 plus item number 7 minus item number 4, import of raw material 60 plus purchase of raw material and other inputs, which is 360. So this is 1320 minus 420, which is equivalent to 900. So 900 is the value of gross value added at market price. Rather, we have to calculate net value added at market price, which is equivalent to gross value added at market price minus depreciation is equal to 900 minus depreciation is 45, which is equivalent to 855. Next we have to prove that net value added at factor cost. Now we have to calculate net value added at factor cost is equal to net value added at market price minus net indirect taxes is equal to 855 minus net indirect taxes are not given, rather indirect taxes are given. Indirect taxes minus subsidies, and subsidies are not given, so is equal to 855 minus, so subsidies will be considered as 0, minus 30 minus 0 is equal to 825. So 825 will be the value of net value added at factor cost, which is 825 net value added at factor cost. Next we have to prove that net value added at factor cost is equal to factor income. Now what is meant by factor income? This net value added at factor cost is equal to 825. It means our answer of factor income, that must also be 825. So factor income means compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. So let us find out which are the values of compensation of employees. Compensation of employees includes wages and salaries 360 plus employer's contribution is not given. Then the values of operating surplus are: number 1, rent 45, rent plus dividend 90 plus interest 270 plus undistributed profit 60 plus 0. Mixed income is 0 is equal to 360 plus 465 plus 0 is equal to 825. So 825 is the value of factor income. So we have proved that net value added at factor cost is equal to sum total of factor income. So in this way we can calculate all the values related to national income. Thank you.